Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So today we are going to present a new setup video to you, that is how to set up XtraBoost Wi-Fi. You can set up your Wifi XtraBoost within 2 minutes. So in this video we will discuss about web browser setup. Watch this video till the end, so that you do not miss any step. First of all, unbox the XtraBoost Wi-Fi box. Inside the XtraBoost Wi-Fi box, you'll find the Wi-Fi extender device, a user manual, and sometimes a LAN cable for wired setup. It's all packed neatly to help you get started quickly. Plug the Wi-Fi XtraBoost into a power outlet located between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Ensure it's within the range of your existing Wi-Fi network. On your computer or mobile device, search for available Wi-Fi networks and connect to the one named Wireless N or similar. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.10.253 in the address bar. This will take you to the extender's login page. Use admin for both the username and password fields to log in. Now select the repeater option. Choose your existing Wi-Fi network from the list and enter its password. Optionally, set a new name, SSID, for the extended network. Save the settings and wait for the extender to reboot. After the extender restarts, connect your devices to the new extended network using the credentials you set. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.